Hello, and welcome to another HyperMart Admin tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create and manage app sections in the HyperMart Admin Panel. First, log into your HyperMart Admin dashboard. From the left sidebar menu, click on App Sections. This will open the App Sections page. Here, you can manage all the sections that appear inside your HyperMart mobile app. At the top of the page, you will see a table listing all the existing app sections. Below the table, you will also see a preview area. This preview shows a demonstration of how the app section will appear in the mobile app. It may not look exactly the same as the final app, but it gives a very close visual idea. Now, to create a new app section, go to the top left corner and click the Add App Section button. This will open a new page where you can enter the details for your app section. Start by entering the name of the section. Next, choose the icon that will represent the section in the app. Then choose the active icon. This icon will appear when the user is currently using or has selected that section in the app. After that, choose a color for the section. Then select the background color. You can also upload a background image if you want to customize the section design. This step is optional, so you can leave it empty if you prefer a simple background. Once all the details are filled in, click the Save button. And that's it. Your new app section has now been successfully added to HyperMart. You will now see the newly created section in the App Sections table, and you can also view its demo preview below the table. And that's how you create and manage app sections in HyperMart. Thank you for watching this tutorial.